Today, we'll continue introducing everyone to the new reward pool on the Bybit exchange from the Sonic project, which has recently created a sensation in the crypto market. Welcome back to the Airdrop Go channel. Sonic is a Layer 2 blockchain compatible with the SVM virtual machine, focusing on gaming on Solana. It has launched the tap-to-earn game Sonic X, built directly on TikTok, and has quickly created a sensation in the crypto community. Unlike many previous blockchain games that often face difficulties in retaining users due to complex experiences, Sonic X has solved this problem by not requiring players to create crypto wallets or sign transactions to participate. Users only need to log in via TikTok, and the system will automatically create a wallet within the platform. Thanks to its simple gameplay and smooth experience, Sonic X has attracted over 1 million players just 1 month after its launch in October 2024 and reached 2 million players after 2 months thanks to the attraction of the TikTok platform. To thank the community of players, Sonic SVM will be airdropping Sonic tokens to all Sonic X users on TikTok. Sonic has gone through 2 funding rounds and many other undisclosed funding rounds, with a total of $16 million raised from investment funds. Bitcraft Ventures, OKX Ventures, Marana Venturers, Republic Ventures, IVC Ventures, and other investment funds. To start with the project as usual, everyone needs to have a Bybit exchange account so that when you receive tokens from the airdrop, you will have a ready exchange account to sell the received tokens. First, everyone will access the link I left below the video description. Similar to all events on the Bybit exchange as usual, everyone will have 2 options to participate. A reward pool of 4 million Sonic tokens is for new users who register for a Bybit exchange account using the registration link I left below the video description. A reward pool of 1 million Sonic tokens will be for existing users who already have a Bybit exchange account. To start with the 4 million Sonic token reward pool for new users, you need to complete one of the following 2 tasks. Task 1. You will deposit at least 1,500 Sonic tokens into the Bybit exchange. This task is for those who have participated in the project early and received an airdrop. Task 2. You will deposit 100 USDT and start trading 100 USD worth of Sonic tokens using spot trading. After you have completed these 2 tasks, you will receive a reward of 300 Sonic tokens from the reward pool. Next, with the 1 million Sonic token reward pool, this will be for existing users on the Bybit exchange, you will need to complete the following task. Trade at least 500 USDT worth of Sonic tokens in the spot trading section of the Bybit exchange. The reward you receive will depend on the trading volume. The amount of tokens you can receive is approximately 20,000 Sonic tokens. And that's all the information about the Bybit Exchange's Deposit and Trade Sonic Token event to receive a 4 million Sonic token reward that I want to introduce to everyone. And then, if you find this video valuable, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel so I can have more motivation to develop more new videos. See you in the next video of Airdrop Go. Goodbye, and see you again.